In today's video, I'm going to show you how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then next in the left panel, go to Audience, then click on Segments. Now from here, click on Create Segment. Now start by adding your segment filters. So select or search a filter or conditions like birthday, company, address, or other activity. This will define your segment. MailChimp will then show a list of contacts that match your criteria. Review to make sure it includes the right subscribers. You can also add more filters to narrow down the audience. And once done, click on Review Segment. Before using this segment, make sure that you review it first, then click on Use Segment. Now give it a name, then click on Save and Exit. And now when creating an email campaign, make sure that you select your saved segment. Just tick the box beside it. And this ensures your emails reach only the targeted group. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!